after I hear bang, 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 bang. When I run out here, that person, all way holla. Watch what you just done do. You kill my man. You think he look back? He run. Run straight. He never even run down the step. He just started jump. He just started jump down the step.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them I go on like, them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advice. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advice. Them kill Raphael Casares in a Belize city. The man them come up and kill him cool. As soon as him done eating dinner, the man them push a gun through a window, you know, and shoot the man. That one here, that lady there, is him commander wife. Listen.
By the way, I mean, he come here like, you know, like we know he. We never even know this person we come here. If he come take my husband's life like this.
Since Brandon death, Belize city has turned upside down. Even man when a war with them start war with other man, and this is what's going on in this section of Belize. And man probably still link to the Brandon them, cause you know PIV and BLC them a war. But me know from when Brandon dead, things would have happened. You're the police commissioner. I break it down. Here we are. Listen to this.
Sunday afternoon, just after midday, police were called to the Arlington Drive area of Belize City, where upon arrival they encountered the lifeless body of Mr. Raphael Casares inside his home with multiple gunshot injuries. He was taken to the KHMH where he was pronounced dead on arrival. It is our belief that the shooting death of Casares is a direct retaliation for the death of Mark Usher.
No, I just saw it get crazy, cause you see that you that saw him name Mark Usher and them kill him couple days ago, and a youth get arrested feet, and the man will get arrested feet is the youth where them lick down with the police commissioner and the lady is talking about in this video that we are talking about. So the war in a Belize, may I tell you, it really turn up. Now, listen to this.
Anybody when know me, know April, no, I no harbor no brother. I drive that vehicle when I see me in and know that no brother never there in that, and no brother no come to my house.
One thing I want to know about Belize, you see Belize, the gang thing down there and the bad man thing is mostly family. Cause as you see, this youth are dead. If him brother get arrested for killing a youth by the name of Usher. Me I go play that video there with Usher. And as you see, the police commissioner has his ear on the ground and he's knowing everything that's going on. So listen, watch this video, and this are the video where cast this man death the issue. Before me play that video there, I want to listen to the police commissioner, because them say him have a suspect and them have put the suspect on identification parade tomorrow. And that mean a the young lady, a the man with dead woman, a go be the person, cause she's the shooter. So me just hope the police protect her. Now, listen to where Chester talk about it.
We have since detained one suspect. That suspect will be placed on identification parade today, and it is our hope that he will be identified and will be charged for the murder of Mr. Casares. The man certainly was doing well, living with his family, not bothering nobody, and so when you venture to kill somebody innocent just because you couldn't get the ones that you want, that is troubling, and we take it seriously.
Now, listen to the video why this man get killed. Listen to this.
On Saturday night, police received information of shots fired in the Farbach Road Extension area. Upon responding, they discovered one Mark Usher suffering from gunshot injuries. He was taken to the KHMH, where he was admitted in a critical condition, and a few hours later he succumbed to his injuries. Police investigation so far have led to the arrest of an individual who has since been charged for the crime of murder in respect to the shooting death of Mark Usher.
That's the man right there who killed Mark Usher, and the man who dead in at the front of the video, that's his brother. So the family, a war against family, and a family run the gang thing right down in Belize, yo.
That area has been an issue for some time now, with tensions between the two groups that operate in that area, and it is believed that his death is as a result of that issue between the two groups.
This youth Usher play a loose ball with him thing, because guess what? The night before them shoot up a house, when they with a gang, and then the next night them end up killing. Now, I'm going to talk about another incident that happened in Belize. All of this happening in like 24 hours.
This group were coming from the area of Halover Bridge into Belize City when they were followed by a white vehicle, and that would be a white car and a silver 4Runner. And upon reaching the area of the flour mill, the vehicle overtook them. The white car overtook them, and occupants on that white car fired multiple shots at the vehicle Peteio and his group were in, fatally injuring one person.
The saddest part of this is the youth on the right side of the screen. He's not involved. Him just happens to be with Peteio. And like the police say, a Peteio are the gunman. That's why them say, the mother always say, you see when you have bad luck, empty gun to shoot you. And pretty much at that reach, the youth ya. Now, like I said, there's a lot of things going on in Belize, and I have more update coming. But I just want to highlight the gang thing after Brandon death is like the entire Belize explode. Now I have some intel on the ground will give me some info, but may I save that to drop that in another video. You understand? But for now, like I say, Belize is not a cakewalk, and the man them we are do the killing, them barefoot, them a ride bicycle, them a wear slippers. You understand? And them kind of man there, I do the killing. And I like Jamaica and Trinidad and them place, so you see man cash already and goal out of them. No. In Belize is a different thing, and also in Belize it's like clan against clan, family clan. So most gang, you know, them a family member, or if them are a family member, them is like family member because them grew up like brother and sister. Me see our granny in a gang war in Belize. If I think Brandon, the boy with dead fame granny, did in our war and come out and I defend our nephew. So listen, more coming from Uno, from Belize to Uno. My name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.